Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. So today we are making smothered pork and we are going to serve that over rice. So smothered meat tends to be a staple in the South. So I made some smothered pork today with some rice, and so that's what we are going to cook. And I want to thank all my viewers for helping to support my channel. And for new viewers, I want to say welcome. And as always, remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with all that out of the way, let's make us smothered pork and gravy over rice. For our smothered pork with rice and gravy, you're going to need the following: 2 pounds of pork, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, hot sauce, oil, butter, onion diced, bell pepper diced, and celery diced. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So I have me a large Dutch oven with some oil, which has been heating up over a medium-high heat. So what we're going to do, we are going to add in our pork. And I used a pork tenderloin for this recipe, but you can use any cut of pork you like, whether it be pork chops or fingers. So we are going to add this to our pot. And what we want to do is we want to get a nice sear on all sides. So I've added my butter to my Dutch oven. And to this, we are going to add in our onion, celery, and bell pepper. And then we are going to saute this for about 5 minutes till the onions are translucent. So our vegetables have been sauteing for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, our onions are starting to become translucent. So to this, we are going to add in our garlic and onion powder. Then we're going to add our pork back in, including any drippings in the bowl. Give that a good stir. And now we're going to add enough water to our pot to cover our pork. And I've added in about 4 cups of water. So we're going to let this come up to a boil. Then we're going to reduce it down to a simmer, and we're going to cook it covered for an hour. So we are about halfway through our 1 hour simmer. We're going to give this a quick stir. And I did add in a tablespoon of flour to thicken up my gravy a little bit. So at this point, excuse me, we want to check and make sure we've got our seasonings right. Perfect. So we're going to let this go for the rest of our 30 minutes, and then we're going to get plated up. All right, so our pork has been cooking for an additional 30 minutes and got a nice gravy going on here. So now we're going to serve this up with some rice. Just love me some gravy. And that should just about do it. There's a little more. And there we go. So now that we've got everything plated up, we're going to give this a try. And I've had this before, and I know I'm going to love it, but you need to give this a try. Perfect. All when the pork is tender, and just falling off the bone where you can cut it with a spoon. You really need to give this a try. Quick and simple. The longest part of it is letting it simmer for an hour. So I want to thank everybody for watching. please give this recipe a try. Leave me a message in the comments if you try it and what you think about it. And as always, thank you for watching. And until our next video, I'm going to finish off